Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So I have a brand new collection. It's out this very minute. It's called Outside the Box and there is a lot of Christmas in here. So this is a collection featuring lovely gift boxes that you can use for Christmas or any other type of occasion, along with some lovely snowflake themed Christmas papers. It's absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to show you everything. So I've got quite a few samples to show you today. So let's have a quick start with this stamp set. This is going to be perfect for your gift giving and also for your memory keeping as well, because we've got the Advent numbers here. Now this one is called the Christmas Sentiment Stamp Set. It's like A5 size and there's just so many things on here. It's jam packed, so you can use this on your gift tags, you can use these in your memory making, your scrapbooks, your mini albums, a gift for under the tree, so again gift tags and decorating Christmas cards and things like that. So I absolutely love this one. So that is the Christmas Sentiment Stamp Set. And moving on, we have this banners, stitched labels and sentiments die set. So you get all these banners here and all of these lovely stitched detail bits. It also comes with this stamp set as well, which is a more of an all occasion, but it's definitely worth getting this just for these stitched labels and sentiments die set. Now these look a little bit unusual. They are spaced out a little bit differently. I'll show you why. I've got some samples here. So here we have everything, the wording all spaced out so they fit on these shaped banners. So this is absolutely perfect for your all occasions, and that's what they look like without the stamps. So again, you can use these layered up, and I'll be showing you those in the samples that I'll be showing you. So this comes as a duo. Okay, let's start with the Christmas papers first. I only have the A4 versions of these papers, so you get 8 different designs, but this comes in a 12 by 12 pad. It's not A4. I only have the A4 samples here, but it comes in 12 by 12. Just remember 12 by 12. Okay, so this is the first one. I absolutely love this one. I'll go sideways so you can see it better. And then we have the snowflakes on a white background, and then we have a grey background, so it's all like blues, greys and aquas. And then we have the aqua on a white background with the circles, and then we have the grey background with the white snowflakes. These are absolutely stunning, by the way, when you see them to the eye. And here we have the blue snow. These are like the snowflakes, but more of the traditional cartoon style. So I absolutely love that one too. And here we have a lovely, like it's kind of like a off navy, a very light navy. I can't think of the exact shade, but it's got a little bit of teal in it as well. With the white snowflakes, and here we have the dark teal with all these lovely snowflakes and stars. So that is available in 12 by 12, and I've used a lot of this in my samples because I love Christmas. So let's start off with the diamond gift box die set. So I just need to go and grab my samples for this one. You get 28 dies in here. I've made tutorials for each and every one of these boxes, all of these die sets I'm about to show you. Those are available on my website. Right now you can watch all of them in one go if you want to. I will leave the link for that down below, but the my website is helengriffin.co.uk, but click on the link below and it will take you straight there, and all of the tutorials for this will be available for you to watch right now. But watch the rest of the video first. Okay, so let me grab the diamond gift box die sets. Okay, so here they all are. There's a huge mixture here because you get all of these trellis dies as well, so you can go for a very simple box here. This is just made using the snowflake paper. That's absolutely beautiful. Imagine that on a table setting. And here we are using the trellis. The trellis has been cut straight into the box sides, or you even get the mats there just to cut into the mats and stick the mats on, just like this. Okay, so this is the diamond, like the diamond shape, and then we have 2 of these put together to make this hanging decoration. So I've popped in a thread there. You can pop some treats in there, and you can also use these 2 together to make this lovely flattened hexagon gift box too. So there's loads of different options there. So this is the diamond gift box die set. and this one is so very much versatile. Okay, so moving on, we have the Christmas Tree Gift Box die set. I absolutely love this one. So you may have noticed my packaging now has started to come with photographs of anything that's a little bit hard to kind of visualize what the die set makes. So this is going to really help you, you know, decide on what you want to make and whether you want to go ahead and see if you want it or not. So this is the Christmas Gift Box die set, and let me grab the samples. Okay, I've got quite a few here to show you. So where do I start? We'll start with this lovely Christmas tree here, because this is really what it makes. This is the star of the show. So you get all of these dies here, and especially the one with the score line there, just to give you this folded look here, the layered look for the Christmas tree. Now for this one, I've run these layers through with an embossing folder, and I've added some Distress Oxide ink. This one's prize ribbon. I've just rubbed that over with a brush just to pick up that detail, and I've used the stamp set. It's right at the bottom here. Grab that out. I've used the stamp set here to add my sentiment. So that's really good, and it opens up just like that. It's really nice and secure, and those pop into the slots. And again, there is a tutorial for this one, and I'll show you step by step how to make it. So this is another one that I've made with a darker cardstock, and that opens up like that. This one, and you also get all the decorations as well here, so you can decorate your box. You can get really creative. This one is just a plain one. I just wanted to make a plain one just so that you can see just what it's like. Again, you could even get away with that, especially if you're using this to make Christmas decorations, you know, and you can pop some treats in there too. So you don't have to use the Christmas tree shape on the top. This makes a lovely cake box as well. So I have kept with the snowflake theme there, gone into my stash, and I've just found some like glittery MDF wooden snowflakes. You can get them in a lot of places, and I've just layered up these banners from this set here. You can just layer these up, and you can make some really nice backgrounds and to build up your decorative layers. And I've used that with some foam pads. Again, lovely and secure box. This one has been cut directly from the paper pad, which is 250 GSM. And again, here's another one. This one's got a bit squashed actually. It's been on the travels quite a bit. So this opens up, and I've used the banners just to layer everything up, and I've added a wooden fork. And again, using the scored Christmas tree, you can make some 3D pop-up cards. Now I haven't exactly finished this one off yet. I think I might add some more sentiments in the center there. I would probably add all my writing on the back, just because this is so decorative, and I don't want to spoil the middle. But you know, just get everyone might just have snowflakes in their collection, so grab all your snowflakes and get creative with these papers. So that is the Christmas Tree Gift Box die set. Okay, so this is one of my favourites. I have a few favourites here. Okay, so this is the Elegant Skyscraper Gift Box die set. This is going to need an A4 die cutting machine. It cuts it out all in one, and you get mats for each and every single section there. So it's really super easy to put together. So let me grab the samples for this one. Okay, so here we have the samples for this one. I have one Christmassy one here using the snowflake papers. It just opens up just like so. So these are going to be absolutely perfect for teachers' gifts. So you can pop some sweets in there, some fudge, some chocolates, and you're ready to go basically. You can decorate that. Definitely use the stamp set here, the Christmas sentiment stamp set, and the stitch labels and sentiments die set as well. And this one here is using the other sentiments that come with it too. So this is more of an everyday or all occasion thing. So this one is especially for you. This one was made using some satin silver cardstock with some silver glitter card for the mats. I think that looks really nice. And this one here is a birthday one. I've just added the mats to the front there and I think that looks a little bit different too. I absolutely love this one. So this is the Elegant Skyscraper Gift Box die set. Okay, moving on to this one. This one looks highly unusual and a little bit complicated, but in the tutorial I show you step by step exactly how to make this one. It is super duper quite easy actually, and if you ever get stuck and you don't want to look at the tutorial, there's a diagram here that shows you all the valley folds and the mountain folds, and once you kind of do that, it's really easy. And again, there's a step-by-step tutorial for this one. So this is the Twist and Squash gift box die set, so let me grab the samples. Okay, so here is the box. Let's turn these all around. So here we go. And this one is a sideways box. This one's going to be a sideways box as well. I just need to add some snowflakes, I would say, and a sentiment. So this actually squishes all the way down, just like that, opens up. And we have these spiral centers here using this die here. If you want a proper base to it, you can use that on the base, just for the bottom there, and those stand up just like so. Now these open up just like this. There we go. And I've used some Distress Oxide ink, prize ribbon. I don't think I used peacock feathers. I think I used broken china, but they're very similar colours, you know. And just use a brush. There we go, a blending brush, and you're good to go. So to close this up, you go round clockwise. With the last one, you tuck it in, you push it in, and that should tuck in there. I've done this a few times now, so it's probably not liking me very much. There we go. That should sort itself out. There we go. So these two are the top loading ones, and again they squish down just like so, and these ones are like sideways. These are a little bit like Christmas crackers, just like so. I just love that. I could play with that all day. So that is the Twist and Squash gift box die set. Okay, so moving on, we now have the Star Pillow gift box. Star Pillow box. There's lots of names here. These are very long titles for all of these actually, so yeah, I've got to make sure I say them right. So this is the Star Pillow box die set. It's actually a very big sizable die, and it cuts it all out in one go, so you are going to be needing a large format die cutting machine for this one, but it does say on the packaging, and I think it should say on the listing as well. I've just stuck my tape down, I'll fix that later, but it will say on the listing as well what sort of die cutting machine that you will need. So let's grab the samples. Okay, so I absolutely love this one. So we have the details here of the stars. So it's a 2-layer die set, so it will cut the border out and cut the stars out, and with the negative side you can pop it on the other side as well. So this is a self-closing gift box. As you can see, we have these little slots here for these tabs to go into, and in the tutorial I show you how to get those in best, because these are quite wide for the slots, so they have to go in sort of like a sideways thing just to pop them in, but it means you don't have to use any glue to close them. You can use glue if you want to, or you can go ahead and glue. Which one came out easy? Is it this one? You can go ahead and glue these on the bottom as well if you don't want to pop them inside those holes. So this one was made from the patterned paper. Love that one. And this one here is it's like an advent one, or you could use it for birthdays as well. This is an advent one, so you can make one for every day. And because you've got the numbers and the freedom there, you can just go straight up to day 25. I know some advent calendars stop at 24, but there's no fun in stopping there, is there? We want 25. So you can make 25 if you want to. So I absolutely love this star gift box. Not just for Christmas, stars can be used for any sort of theme, and again, even new baby as well. Okay, so moving on, we have the Hexagon Geo Gift Box. I absolutely love this one. It's 20 dies. You get all of these trellises and the mats for each section too. You also get a mat for this hexagon bottom. So it's a hexagon bottom with a square top, and I just love the way that that shape looks. So let's grab the samples. Okay, so this makes quite a wide variety of different sort of gift box. So the first one I'm going to show you, I've added a large square. You do get a square die in there, but it's a smaller one than this. But if you want to go for a larger one, you can manually cut one out. So this is a 5-inch square, and it's basically a graduation hat. So we are coming up in the UK to that time of year. So this is absolutely perfect. You can personalise it with the colours. You also get the tassel die in here too to make the tassel die, and again I've layered up those banners and labels there. So that is the graduation hat, and here we have a Christmas version. This is the one I made in my tutorial, so I just need to add maybe a bow or some sort of flourish on the top, or layer up something special on the top there. That will look really nice. Add a nice sparkly snowflake, and here we have an everyday all occasions one. This is super pretty, perfect for afternoon tea as well. You could probably get some lovely bits of fudge in there. That would be really nice. And here is what it looks like with all of the trellis detail on there. So as I said, you've got the trellis detail here, and you definitely will be needing, let me just grab it, one of these as well, the Sizzix brush, just to get all of those intricate details out. So that is what it looks like with the hexagon bottom, and I absolutely love this box. It's even got the shaped thumb detail there for when you open it out. I just love the finishing touches that we add to these boxes. So that is the Hexagon Geo Gift Box. Moving on to the last one now, we have the gift box and 3D ribbon sleeve die set. Like I said, we've got some really long titles here, so I absolutely do love this one as well. I think this is another one of my favourites, and I just have the samples here just to my side, so let's bring those in. So this is a base box here, so it's a square box that looks like that, and you can add the trellis detail. Again, it's all the same sort of star themed trellis detail throughout the entire collection here, so it's keeping in with the same theme. And then we get this sleeve here that sits at an opposite angle, so it kind of looks like it's a gift box wrapped with a paper ribbon. So it looks really unusual, and I absolutely love the way that it looks as well. So here it is again, using the snowflake papers, or you can just use this gift box on its own to just make a lovely gift box if you don't want to go ahead and add the ribbon. Again, it looks complicated, but in the step-by-step tutorial on my website, link down below, I will show you exactly how to make this step by step. So that is my new outside the box collection. It's mainly Christmas, but it's all about the boxes and the snowflake papers. So I absolutely love this collection. I'll be on Craft Stash Live tomorrow with Lou, so I'm hoping you'll be able to join me. That's at 12:30 BST, British Summer Time. So we're not into GMT just yet, so we're still an hour ahead. I will leave a link for that down below, so that should be live on Facebook and on the YouTube channel, so I will pop those links down below. There'll be prizes, great offers, and again, if you want to view this collection, it is available right now at Craft Stash, but the good offers will be during the live show tomorrow. And if you are part of the Craft Stash email list, you might even get a sneak peek of some of those offers there as well. So check this collection out before the show. I would love for you to join us, and please comment, say hello. I love to see all of the familiar names as well. It's really great to hear from you guys. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll see you all again very soon.